So already I have customized my face on the Oraimo smartwatch. Okay, so yes, you guys are going to talk about the Oraimo smartwatch, the unboxing, and also the specifications. I mean, my first impression about the device. Okay, and my review about the device will come, let's say, a month later because I have to have time for it. Okay, just in case you want to know more about the Oraimo power box, that is the power bank. Okay, you can check in the comment section or the description to know more about that one. Okay, the unboxing and review as well. Check in the comment section or the description of the video to know more about that one. Now let's get into the Oraimo smartwatch. Okay, this Oraimo smartwatch is called the Oraimo Watch Nova AM, which is the OSW 812. Okay, so this is the Watch Nova AM from Oraimo. And with the unboxing, as I always say, Oraimo is always good at unboxing. Their packaging is always top notch. So with the device, they are saying that it can stand by for 60 days. Okay, so 60 days standby with the smartwatch. Okay, with the Watch Nova AM. Okay, and also it is a 2.01 AMOLED screen, one click measurement, sleek design, curved cover. So these are some of the things, I mean the features or the specifications for the device. Okay, that is 2.1 AMOLED display or the screen, and then some one or two things as well. Okay, we will just look at all these, especially the 60-day standby and all these as well. Okay, so just stay tuned, like the video and subscribe. More videos we can right here on this platform. Okay, so now let's unbox the device. Unboxing is very neat and clean. Looking at Oraimo is always good at packaging. Okay, so when it comes to unboxing, trust me, they are good at unboxing. And you could see that, yes, Charlie, things are very good with it. Okay, so looking at it, you would think that this is something or there was something different inside this small package, but trust me, it's just a manual that they have packaged it like that. So Oraimo is just their packaging is just funny and also loving, like it's great. Okay, so I really love the way they package their items, and they should keep on. It just makes it nice. Okay, packaging such a device, just a manual, and then it is in just a package like that. You should know that yes, you are just packaging something big. After the manual, we have the smartwatch. Okay, and then we will come to that later. And then we have these two little boxes. Okay, which is on the left and right side of the package. Okay, and then we have the first one. The first one contains a charging cord, so a charging cord for you to charge your phone. And then the second box, it has nothing in it as well. So as I said, they are good at packaging. They could package something and then nothing will be inside. So yes, just for, I mean, just to make things very nice. Okay, so yes, I love the packaging. Now let's look at the smartwatch. Okay, when we peel this off, looking at the design, the screen, the side buttons, the straps, and the back of it having sensors and also the charging port right there. So taking a look at this, you could see that it is just a neat and clean device that we have right now. Okay, and looking at the charging port, which is at the back of it, the charging port is a magnetic charging port at the back of it. So just in case you are mistakenly plugging in the charging port, it will not accept that wrong plug in. Okay, so it will just reverse your charger. Okay, yes, unless you make it or straighten it, make it in the correct form before it will just attract. And also it comes with the home button. Okay, so this is the home button. When you tap on it, it will just send you straight to your home screen. Most of the times, anytime, wherever that you are, just tap on it, it will send straight to your home screen. Okay, and also you can just tune it a little or tune it up and down to scroll down between apps. So instead of you using your hand scrolling through your apps, you can easily use that one to scroll through your apps. Okay, you can also use it to be changing your phone wallpaper or the home wallpapers. Okay, so just as you are at home, you just tune it, and then it will start changing to anyone that you want. No need for you to tap and hold to look for any wallpaper that you want. At your home screen, just tune it, okay, and then it will just start to change these wallpapers for you. Now let's turn it on, and after that, you should have in mind that it works hand in hand with a smartphone and their Oraimo Health app. So we have to download the Oraimo Health app on Play Store or App Store, and then we will just connect it to their smartwatch before you can access or get access to more features. You get it? Okay, just like we customizing the watch screen. You get it? Okay, so you could see I have my face right here. So with this, you have to use your smartphone to do this. Get your favorite picture and then you put it here. Okay, and then you can also customize or change it after putting it here. We will just go into it. So just wait. Let's continue with it. So after installing the app, you open the app and then you have to create or start a new account. So you create a new account on the app by just giving your details, your name, date of birth, your Gmail, the password. You create new stuff on the platform. You agree to their terms and all those things, okay? So that you can just get access to all these things. So it's just like you giving them access to almost everything, okay, so that they can monitor you. You get it? Okay, so you just give them access to monitor you, and then just give them some details to help them, you know, have a little bit idea about you, just like your age, your sex, your date of birth, your height, and then also your weight. All these things are just details about you or information about you that will help them, you know, just consider one or two things, okay, in the future. So you have to provide all these details and then you create your accounts in the process. After creating your account, you need to just bind your phone to the device, okay. So all that you are going to do, you will scan the QR code on the smartwatch, okay. So when you turn on the smartwatch, you will see the QR code, and then with the QR code you scan with your phone, and then your phone will connect, okay. So first you scan with the code, the QR code on your phone is to connect. Then secondly, you will connect Bluetooth to it so that you can also make calls and then pick and reject calls with it. Okay, so yes, I will just talk about it more right here. Just subscribe and like the video for the review after using it for 1 month. Okay, so just subscribe and like the video, and more videos will be coming right here on this platform. Just give me a like. Now let's look at some of the features that the smartwatch comes with. Now we are connected and we have linked our phone to it, okay. So looking at smartwatch, it comes with a lot of features, and especially it focuses on your health and then also cost and customization, okay. So mostly I see it as focusing on this field, okay. But looking at the device, it's just simple. You just scroll down to get your notification, you scroll from the top to get your control center, and with the control center you can turn on or activate your call, activate one or two items, just like monitoring your health and all this. You can turn it on right there, okay. So we have the settings as well, whereby you can go in, change the display, the brightness, and also how your phone vibrates, the sound, and other things. It has all these things in it, okay. And looking at the health side, monitoring your health with the device, I just checked and it was perfect, it was good. Looking at the side whereby we have the blood pressure, whereby we have the heart rate, we have the blood oxygen rate. When I just monitored, it was good. It just measured very well, and I really like it with that side. My review about it will come later after using it for 1 month. I can't just say that everything is perfect depending on the values that I got today. Okay, maybe there may be some lacks or there may be some issues. Okay, so as I use it for over time, yes, maybe those issues will come up and I will let you know. Okay, yes, I will also tell you one thing that I hate about the Oraimo smartwatch. I will tell you, just keep watching and then let's continue with it. So with the features, it has all these, and also you can also know your weather as well on the device. So your weather, it gives you access to know your weather, your health, and also customization with the screen. Because the device comes with raise to awake feature, the moment you just try to look on it, yes, then it will light the screen up for you to see. You can turn it off as well in the settings, okay. But just nice to have that feature. No need for you to be tapping always on the button to activate the screen or to see what's on your screen, okay. So yes, it is very good with that one. And other features are in it, especially with the exercise side. You can add or customize the exercise to either remove or add some of these. Okay, so they have all these exercise features, and it was great when I saw all these things in the smartwatch. Okay, so yes, you can add some exercise that maybe you think you do this and you don't do this. You can add and remove all these from your page. Now let's look at the customization or changing of your phone screen, which is the main screen, the picture or the image on your smartwatch. Okay, so with that one, you can do it with your phone or you can do it in your smartwatch. You just tap and hold and then you will change. But with the customization or with the images that is on the smartwatch is limited. So you have to use the app and then you download other ones that you want. Okay, you download or you just set it as the main image and then it will download automatically and then it will be on your smartwatch. So anytime that you want to change, then it is automatically there on your smartwatch and no need for you to go to your phone again. Okay, so the moment you set it as your main image, it then gets installed on your smartwatch, of which you can change it anytime without getting your phone. It was good. Okay, and I think this is one of the features that most people are really enjoying right now. And we will see how far we can go with it. And you can also add your picture with it. And with that one, they have the other side where you can create your own, you just add it. And you need to just give them access to your pictures so that they can give you the pictures that you have on your phone and then you can choose and they will use that to customize your home screen for you. Okay, so yes, it's just simple. You can also turn on flashlight in the device. You just go to your apps, you just go to the flashlight, you tap on it, it will just light up. Okay, so the screen will just become white for you to use. Just simple. It also has calculator in it so that you can use it for your calculations, simple calculations. Okay, so it also has all these as you it just monitor your health and do the other ones. Yes, you can also do this in your smartwatch as well. Just simple. Okay, so my review will come with a lot of details. Putting on the smartwatch for the first time was very easy. It wasn't that hard. It was just simple, just like how we put on our normal watches. Okay, and it was cool because it has all these holes. You're able to select which one that you want, whether you want it to tight you or whether you want it to loose you, or like to loose. Okay, and the more it loses, it's not able to dictate or get your health more. So always you should at least close it up a little bit so that it could also monitor your health. Okay, so yes, it was good with the strapping on. Okay, so yes, that one I would say 7/10. And with the call aspect, it was good because I was able to talk to someone through the smartwatch. Okay. And I could pick the call or hang up the call on the smartwatch because it has been connected to my smartphone. So just like it's the same thing. So when I receive a call, it will vibrate or just make a sound depending on the setting that I've made. Okay. And then sure I can pick or reject it on the phone. Also, I can send message to the person. Maybe I'm driving, I'm busy, I'm doing that. But when I tried it with the watch, it didn't go through. But maybe it's maybe from my side, okay, or maybe there was something that I didn't see. So with the review, we'll have all these details right there. So just stay tuned and like the video. With the review, everything will be there, whether things started or not. And then yes, we can just conclude right there. So just subscribe and like the video. Just give me a like and then let's talk more. So not just only answering calls, but we can answer and also make calls with the smartwatch. It's cool. Also with the charging time and also with the charging speed and how long it lasts and everything will be in the review. So the review is fully packed. Trust me. So just subscribe for that one. And since this is a Bluetooth device, when you're watching videos on YouTube or anywhere that you're watching videos, the sound is played right here. So far as you are connected to the Bluetooth, okay, so it just acts like a Bluetooth normal device. We also have the mouthpiece and then we have the speakers right here. So the little space right here, this is where the speaker is right there. I'll use the device for some time and then bring you my review. One thing that I don't like, I really hate, is the idea that the smartwatch does not come with any protector. You get it? So if today or the next day I mistakenly hit this, okay, on a surface or to something, it means that I'm already losing the device. So I think Oraimo should do something about it. They should at least give a screen to it, okay, and also you can remove the strap as well. But since that it doesn't come with many straps, okay, yes, there is no need for you to unplug this. So you are limited to just one strap. Okay. So I think they should just have a store whereby they have this strap that you can also buy just in case you want to change it as well. Or they can just add it to the package, then you buy it just together as one. But most importantly, Oraimo kindly do something about the screen. We need a protector for the screen so that we will not lose the device very easily. We don't want to destroy this in no time, okay? Although we will say that it's AMOLED screen, maybe strong, but not anything can happen. So kindly do something about that for us, Oraimo, and we will be very glad. And one thing as well, I think we should also get extra charger. Anything can happen to our chargers, and since this charger is not a type C charger whereby you can get it everywhere, if you find any issue or you get any issue with your charger cord, I think that's all. So I think they should also either add one extra cord, okay, to it, or they should bring that charger cord on their platform whereby we can buy it separately on their platform. I think that one will help. So it will be like a protector plus a cord and even the straps. So there's my suggestion though. So let me know your thoughts in the comment section and I will really appreciate the power box, which is the power bank or Oraimo power bank, is also available for you to watch. Check in the comment section or description of the video. You will get a video link and then you can just tap on it and go and watch. Stay alive and bye for now.